Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the tank has water and is properly seated. This prevents dry heating and damage. Once filled to max, close the reservoir latch and plug into a grounded outlet. Turn the mode dial to the fabric setting for most garments. You can choose delicate if needed. The unit takes about 1 to 2 minutes to build pressure. Watch the indicator. While it warms, organize garments and a hanger so you can steam continuously without interruptions or reboiling. Once the indicator shows ready, hold the handpiece vertically and maintain a 2 to 4 centimeter gap from fabric to avoid wetting. You move in slow, overlapping downward strokes so steam penetrates fibers evenly. Press the trigger in short bursts for stubborn wrinkles rather than a single long blast, which can saturate. For hems and collars, attach the crease tool. It concentrates steam for sharper lines. Make sure to pause for 10 to 15 seconds after heavy steaming to let fabric and tool cool. To finish, switch the unit off and unplug, then empty the reservoir to avoid mineral buildup. Once done, hang garments to cool so creases set. If you plan regular use, run the manufacturer's anti-scale cycle monthly or use a recommended descaler to maintain steam flow. If you notice sputtering or uneven steam, first reduce the distance and try again. If that fails, refill and descale, and inspect the nozzle for limescale. Use a soft brush to clear blockages carefully.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.